Because of our location where we are right now, we're adding one stop that wasn't originally on our list, but we are going past Pol Veterinarian from Dr. Pol on, you guys might have seen him on National Geographic. Over here, why not drive past there? So let's go. See where the flags are? I believe it's somewhere up in that point there. Yep, here it is. Here's the sign. There ain't nobody even here. Do you guys want to pull in?
Yeah. Your destination is on the left.
All right, that could be one of them there. So we're just going to turn around and then we'll see, because there's actually a Jeep pulling in. Oh, it's Dr. Pol's wife.
Oh, okay.
So we're just gonna stop for, oh God, we went in the wrong way.
Did you?
Yeah, it's one way.
Is it?
Oh my God, I can't believe I just did that. You gonna ride your horse over the way there? Push the animal noise and go right over there.
No.
I'm gonna go over there. You wanna come with me? Oh, so she's shy. Right, say cheese and horsies. Okay, there you go. I should have came in this way, but Daddy wasn't paying attention. I was watching the road. All right, so this is one of the places that was on our bucket list to eventually stop at.
I
we did.
like meow.
Well, there's a farm across. There's farms all around Piper.
Oh.
All right, you gonna jump in? Oh.
What?
Fly one in my ear. All right, get you all strapped in. So that was pretty cool. And we got to see Mrs. Pol pull in front of us. Like I said, she looked at us like, why are we going in the wrong way? That's my fault, so. Alrighty, I'm gonna hook my phone up and we're gonna start heading back to camp.